Hello and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. My name is Andro, and in this video, I'll be breaking down exactly how you can make your first 100,000 Rand online. I almost said a month, like 100,000 Rand a month, because that's kind of how my brain is thinking. But I know a lot of people are rather new to this whole online business space, and it's kind of weird. In America, people have been doing this for years. It's like, are you not making money online? It's like, what's wrong with you? It's kind of like if you don't have a phone, it's like from what planet are you? You don't have an iPhone, or like you don't have a phone in general, right? Like that's kind of how Americans are looking at us, right? It's like you haven't tried making money online, but in South Africa we are a bit behind when it comes to America. Like America, I have experience working there, not there, but like working with Americans for 3.5 years with my previous agency, Arc Advertising. We did social media content, personal branding, like mass content distribution for some of the biggest people in the world. That's also why I can speak from experience. I've made millions of rands, living here in South Africa and working with Americans. But now we are focused a bit more, well, a lot more really, on the South African market when it comes to info consulting, where we teach people how to make money online from South Africa. That is why, we've got the biggest online community in South Africa, to make money online. It's like in our description is a community where you can join. It's free, of over 20,000 South Africans, where we help them make money online. It's like free modules in there. And we also got a mini program in there called Founders Fast Track for just over 1,000 Rand that shows you how to make your first $1,000 online. It's like a step-by-step breakdown with modules, A to Z, everything you need to know to make your first $1,000 online. And I've done that hundreds of times over. And I have, like I said, experience in this. 10 million Rand generated, literally in my bedroom in South Africa, right? Working with US clients. But anyway, South Africans are a bit more risk averse. So we are kind of scared of change, right? And then there's this quote as well that says, scared money doesn't make any money, right? And there's a lot of truth in that. South Africans are very scared. It's like scared to invest. Probably when I mentioned that program down below, it's like, oh, he's pitching me 1,000 Rand. It's like, if you aren't willing to invest or maybe even lose 1,000 Rand, right? But with education, you never really lose. Like I've overspent a bit on mentorship. I've spent 1.5 million Rand on my own knowledge, on education, buying mentorship programs. And I've kind of, you could say, lost 1 million Rand worth of money when but also like I never see it that way. It's like, this is how you need to rewire your brain. And don't you worry, I'll get into the video, like how you can actually do this. But like I always learn, like I never lose. I always learn. Okay. It's like, even if I'm, lost that 1 million Rand that I spent on online programs, it's like, I now know what not to do. And, programs that obviously we also have our own programs where we teach people how to make money online, specifically South Africans, how to make money online. Now I know what a shitty program is, right? Because I went through all these programs in the marketplace. And also the programs that did make me money, like 500,000 Rand worth of programs that did make me money, made me 20 times the money. So even if you lose 9 out of 10 times, right? But the one time you win exponentially. So like, you should never be scared to invest money. Like that is what I see Americans do a lot, right? Is they are not scared to invest in themselves, not scared to take the risk. And I take a lot of calls for our info as well. And Quentin does majority of the calls. I do like 20% of the calls if there's kind of like an overflow, because we book 300 meetings a month for Founders Accelerator, right? Our community where we teach people how to make money online. The link for that is also down below. It's the first link in the description. It's like, how to start a 200,000 Rand a month AI agency. It's like that link. So like the first link in the description, and the second one is our free school community, and the third one is my Instagram. Okay, but I take a few of those calls, and they are so skeptical. It's like that saying that says, the skeptic people or pessimists tend to be right, but optimists tend to be rich. Would you rather be right or rich? Like that is an honest question you need to ask yourself, right? So you need to learn a bit more of this optimism. And I am so optimistic. Like even my dad said, like I'm the most optimistic person he's ever met, literally, right? So me being this optimistic, it kind of rubs people the wrong way. Like, how is he so optimistic? Like, oh, like not everyone can make money online. It's like, like it's just like a special few people. And like me being this optimistic and, one day hoping to be a billionaire, right? Not hoping, but like intending, right? And I'm very confident in my lifetime I'll become a billionaire, right? Very confident, like 100% confident, right? In my lifetime. And a billionaire in rands, by the way. So not like $1 billion. when I get there, maybe anyway, like that's not really in my scope. It's like, late 30s, 40s, but like it's something I'm aiming towards, right? And like working towards $1 billion in rand. So it's like $50 million net worth. Like I believe that I can do that, okay? And the further along I get in my journey, the more confident I'll get, right? Because now it's quite far away. So I'm just focusing more on like, 1, 2, 3 year goals. But anyway, so just to get into this video, just with that out of the way, right? You want to solve problems. That's basically it. So you see what people are struggling with in the marketplace, right? And you solve their problems. And it's much better to solve rich people problems, right? With my previous agency, Arc Advertising, I worked with some of the most successful personal brands in the world. We literally worked with Mike Tyson. I was part of Eman Gadget's content team. I was one of his short form editors, right? We worked with the biggest people in crypto, finance, self-improvement. And the average person I spoke to made $1 million a month, like $50,000 a month. I'm just going to times it by 20 because I don't want to do the times 16.37. Like I don't want to do the math. Like $50,000 a month. Let's just say like $1 million a month they were making. So like I could charge 100,000 rand a month, and we literally did. I charged $10,000 a month for my services. So when I signed 3 clients, that's $30,000 a month. That is how I was able to make 500,000 rand a month at 21. It's like, people hear that. I literally have all the proof on my YouTube, and they're still like, no, like I can't do this. It's just Andro is special. Like I'm not special whatsoever. I've got a pretty crazy level of delusion and work ethic. That's basically it. Like crazy delusion. I think I can accomplish basically anything, and also crazy work ethic. If you combine those two, I'm aware, like you can achieve anything. Okay, so making your first 100,000 rand online. Okay. Every time I say that, I'm like 100,000 rand a month, because that is kind of how you want to be thinking. You want to be thinking like 10 times goals, because let's say you put your goal at like 100,000 rand a month instead of like 100,000 rand in total. You'll be thinking of bigger games to play and bigger problems to solve. And if you are aiming for 100,000 rand a month online, you will 100% make 100,000 rand online, if that makes sense, right? Like if you are aiming for the monthly goal, you will definitely hit the 100,000 rand in total goal, right? So like, a lot of people set the goal at $10,000 a month. It's like I set the goal at $20,000 a month when I started out. So I know if I set the goal at $20,000 a month, $10,000 a month is like guaranteed, right? Like always aim further. So that, it's like, let's say your goal is 100,000 rand online, make it $1 million online. So you're guaranteed to make 100,000 rand online. Does that make sense? Okay. So you want to look at what problems there are in the world. Okay. So with our previous agency, Arc Advertising, where we made 10 million rand total with that agency, just under 10 million rand, we were working with personal brands and we were blowing up their content. So the problem they were facing is not getting enough views, right? And we live in an attention economy. So I was helping them get a lot of millions of extra views, right? Mike Tyson, Mark Moss, biggest people in crypto, finance, self-improvement, niche, you name it, right? Like the more views they got, the more attention they got, the more money they made from the program sales they have. Like let's say they were selling a $5,000 program and they get on average 1 million views a month, and we get them to 5 to 10 million views a month. They can realistically look at, a 5x in revenue, not, exactly, but like if you get 5 times the views, you can look at like 3 times the revenue, roughly speaking. So, that was the problem they had. It's like, I don't have enough awareness, to my brand. I don't have enough attention. I don't get enough views. So we saw that problem and we solved that problem, and we could charge a lot because, if you solve rich people problems, they pay better. That's a quote from Alex Emozi, right? If you solve rich people problems, they pay better. So you can either with an agency work with a few rich people clients or rich clients, right? And charge like $5,000 a month. Okay. I would definitely suggest though working in South Africa, but I'll get into that now. So the agency, you can do $5,000 a month and work with like 5 clients, and you make $25,000 a month, roughly, 400,000 a month. That's how you can do it, right? So, and like the content agency, that's the thing. Like at the moment, I wouldn't recommend that, right? Because there's waves and there's trends and there's, things that are people are looking for, and problems are changing and problems are getting solved. And like, just because I ran a content agency, in 2023 doesn't mean you should start one now. It's like, Andro made his money there, I should do that. It's like, it's this quote from Andrew Wilkinson. He said, whenever an entrepreneur tells you like their success story, it's like a lotto number. Like, I just gave you my lotto number, right? Like if you go and play that lotto number, you're not going to win because I already cashed in the chips for that, right? So like, don't do that. It's not going to work. And we don't do it anymore, right? It's like, good luck doing that. Like, I wouldn't work with like high ticket coaches in America right now. Like, I would not do that. It's extremely competitive. So what we do, and it's literally what we do, and what we teach our students to do as well, is work in the South African market, work with local businesses, help them with their SEO, help them with their advertising on Meta, help them with their website, help them with their CRM fulfillment, help them with their automations, follow-ups. Local businesses in South Africa. It's a completely underserved market. And I break down this exact opportunity, right, in the first link in the description. It's like a 15-minute video on our website, right? First link in the description, right? You can watch that after this video. Breaking down exactly this opportunity, how local businesses in South Africa are completely underserved, right? And those are the type of people you want to work with because they make a lot of money. There's zero competition and they have no idea, how to do advertising. In America, right, because they are 2-3 years ahead of us, they've already done that. So like, it's pretty hard to kind of enter that market, right? It's a very sophisticated, competitive, kind of saturated market. So what you can do is work with like 5 South African clients, get great results, testimonials, use those testimonials, run ads behind them in America, right? That's what you can do. That is literally what we're going to do. AI agency, we are working with private healthcare clinics in South Africa. We are helping them with like advertising, conversion, retention. Mostly we start with conversion, which is like their website and CRM. Then we help upsell ads, and then we can look at, maybe helping them with the retention side. But I want to get into too much detail in this video because that's not what this video is about. But that is basically what we're going to do. Work with like 5 clients. We can make upwards of like, let's say 200,000 Rand a month, with like the CRM or like the conversion where we help them with their website, and then the advertising. We can look at like, let's say 150,000 Rand a month, right? And then use like 50 to 100,000 Rand, closer to 50, let's say like 60,000 Rand on ads in America with that proof that we got. That is the exact playbook, right? That we are teaching our students, that we are doing. Like, why would we teach something if we are not doing it ourselves, right? This is the thing I'm going all in on. And this is our 50 to 100 million Rand play. 50 to 100 million Rand when we exit the company, right? That is kind of like the goal. I don't have like a rough timeline. It's probably like 5 to 10 years of doing that, right? And then exit the company and then use that money in other ventures, investments, real estate, who knows? Like, the world changes so quickly. But at the moment, that is the wave and the trend, okay? That is how you can make your 100,000 Rand online in South Africa. Like, this is how you can even do in-person stuff. And there's only 4 ways you can get in contact with these clients. And there's multiple niches. There's like, wealth is a big one. You want to look at growing industries. Health is a big one. And in wealth is obviously like, insurance people, law firms, accountants. There's so many niches that you can look at, like even plumbers, electricians. You can just search on like ChatGPT, like give me the top 100 niches or like some shit. Like you can, and also there's like this graph that you need to use. So 80% of choosing a niche is the market demand. So what are people looking for? And is it a growing industry? Is this market growing? Do they have worthwhile problems to solve? And can you, like charge a lot, right? Growing industry. And they can afford your services. And then the last 20% is divided in 2, 10% your interests and 10% your skill set, okay? But the majority of the slice of the pie, 80%, is market demand, right? The market is growing. The market can afford your services. The market has high value problems to solve that you can charge a lot for. That is 80% of the equation, okay? And there's 4 ways you can reach these clients. You can either cold call them, literally like go on Google and search like accountants near me, law firms near me, HVAC companies near me, solar companies near me, like clinics near me, gyms near me, restaurants near me, or like restaurants in Western Cape, like, and their numbers are on Google. You can call them. You can literally call them and ask like, yo, I'm not gonna, like share an entire script here, but like, yo, are you looking to, are you interested in getting more customers through advertising? Have you tested advertising? Like, Okay, that was terrible. Like, do not use that script. But you can even use ChatGPT to write you a script, right? Go on YouTube and type in like cold calling, live cold calling or cold calling script. Take that and then put it into ChatGPT. Take the transcript of the video, put it into ChatGPT, and say using this, cold calling script, personalize it to my niche in South Africa with their problems, and you can tweak it a bit. That's exactly what I did, right? I went on YouTube and I got like, let's say the one video I watched, and I took the transcribe of that video, put it into ChatGPT. I said, we work with these people. This is our offer. This is how we want to position it, blah, blah, blah. And I copied that text, put it on a Google Doc, and I cleaned it up a bit. And then I used that script to cold call. I literally put this script on my screen, call the people and read the script. Hey, is this the owner of skincare clinic? And like, yes, okay, cool. I was checking out your website, blah, blah, blah. And it seems like you don't have this and this. We implement this in companies. Would you be interested in showing you how it works? Oh yeah, sure. We did like a free preview of your website with this and this included to help you get more clients, because I know you're super busy with treatments and you can't always answer the phone. So we built out this like AI chatbot assistant thing on your website, completely free. Can I show it to you on a call? Okay, cool. Does tomorrow 11 a.m. work? What's the best email for that? Insert the email, go on my calendar, add the email, create the event. Okay, cool. The invite is sent to your Gmail. Make sure to have a look. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Next morning, 10, I call them. Are you ready at 11? Yes, I am. Hop on the call, show them the thing, go through your script and sell them. And you can make like, 5 to 10,000 Rand a month for that. Upsell them ads for 20 to 30K a month. Make like 40 to 50K a month per client. Sign 4 clients that way. Make like 150, 200,000 Rand a month. Use that money for ads in America. Charge even more. That is the playbook, right? I literally shared exactly what we're doing right now and how you can make money online from South Africa, right? I literally made close to 10 million Rand online, obviously working with US clients, but we're going to copy that exact kind of playbook. Obviously, I have like close to 4 years of experience in the agency world. So I'm basically going to copy paste that in South Africa, right? And I'm going to document the journey and show you exactly how to do it like I'm doing in this video, okay? So the video breaking down exactly this big opportunity right now, like AI agency in South Africa working with local businesses. This is it. First link in the description. It's like a 15-minute video breaking down exactly the landscape, how you can structure your offer, how much you should charge, right? Like how you can get clients, how you can make money from this, how you can set your bloodline free. First link in the description. And the second link in the description is our free school community. But check out the first link first. And you can also check out my Instagram, all that stuff. And yeah, that is basically the game plan and the blueprint on how you can make 100,000 Rand online and then use that money to scale even further, reinvest into advertising, sign even more clients. And this is just like this flywheel effect, where like bookings are appearing on your calendar with the advertising you are doing with your agency to a website. They watch a VSL on your website, they book a call, and then, bookings literally flood your calendar. I'm already fully booked for Monday and Tuesday. It's currently Saturday, and I'm fully booked for Monday and Tuesday, by doing nothing, right? But first, you need to do cold outreach, call them. Yeah, I need to, there's a couple other ways. So cold calling, you can email them, right? I wouldn't recommend email though. You can even WhatsApp them. A lot of them have their WhatsApp number on their website. You can run ads and you can do content. I wouldn't really recommend content though. Cold calling, I would definitely suggest if your niche has that. WhatsApp is also good. If you really need to, email, and then advertising, ads, run ads for your company, which is basically what we're doing. And that's how I'm filling up my calendar, already fully booked Monday and Tuesday. People looking to, implement our services in their company, and we're gonna, charge money for that. And that's how we make money and reinvest into advertising, book even more meetings, boom, 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 scale. Obviously easier said than done, but like that is 80% of it. Okay. So check out the links down below, and then I see you on the next video. Bye-bye.